Meme coins are one of the hottest sectors in crypto right now that's minting new millionaires every single week. And just this past week, a lucky trader walked away with a whopping $9 million from a mere $3,000 investment. And they did this by catching one of the hottest meme coin trends early. And in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly how they did that, what this new trend is, what their strategy was, and how you can get an edge in this in yourself. I'm going to talk about all this as a blockchain developer myself who works this technology on a daily basis, who's found multiple meme coin projects early. So if you're new around here, hey, I'm Gregory, and on this channel, I turn you into a blockchain master. So if that's something that you're interested in, then smash that like button down below and subscribe. And while there's definitely some good opportunity to get massive returns from the meme coin markets, the absolute best way to get an edge in this space is to increase your income and become a blockchain developer. And I can show you how to do that step by step from start to finish over at dappuniversity.com/bootcamp. All right, so let's get into this. Let's talk about how this lucky trader turned $3,000 into a whopping $9 million with this latest meme coin trend. So what coin did they buy? Well, it's the Mother Iggy coin, which is a celebrity coin from the controversial rapper Iggy Azalea. Now, I can't actually show all the pictures of this coin and the details of it on my YouTube video because unfortunately it will probably get censored. So if you want to look more into the coin, I'll just let you Google that. But probably don't do it at work. And just like the rapper's reputation, this coin has gotten people up in arms on social media. People can't believe that this has become one of the hottest meme coins launched to date. In fact, it's become the second largest meme coin by market cap that's launched on the pump.fun website, reaching over a $200 million market cap since it launched. And that's what caused this trader to make $9 million off of a mere $3,000 investment, which you can see on pump.fun. You won't be able to see those analytics on Dex Screener because they purchased the token on pump.fun where it was created, the bonding curve finished successfully, and then the token started trading on the open DEX markets where they were able to hold a large position up to a valuation of over $9 million, which is a 3,000x return. And there will be a lot of people watching this video just with a criticism of like, oh, it was the developer of the project who bought all these coins early. Well, we don't know that for sure, but a lot of people on pump.fun are able to get these projects early. So it's plausible that it could be a regular trader. And even if it was the developer of the project, that's good news for you watching this video because what I teach you on this channel is to become a blockchain developer. And that's one way you can get a massive edge in this space. Okay, so that's the gist of what this particular trader did. But I want to break down two different things so that you can understand and reverse engineer the strategy. So first is the overarching celebrity coin trend that's happening within the meme coin space. And the other is how to find these types of projects and get in on them early. So first, let's start off with celebrity coins. So we've seen celebrities come and go in the crypto space, often promoting projects, sometimes tarnishing their reputations completely. But this is one of the first cycles where we're outright seeing celebrity coins, like cryptocurrencies that just represent a certain public figure. And it's piggybacking off of this meme coin trend, all right? It's actually a subset of the meme coin trend where the tokens aren't promising any type of future returns. They're not saying that they have some type of utility in some ecosystem. They're just unapologetically coins that are out there for fun that people are just hoping appreciate in price. Now, what's interesting about this particular celebrity coin is that there's no outright confirmation from Iggy Azalea that she created this coin, all right? She's been promoting it since it launched, but she does have this element of plausible deniability that she or someone that she's involved with actually created this project. So we could see the same type of thing happen with lots of other celebrity coins, and it's going to be interesting to see how that plays out in the long run. However, we have seen other meme coins launch recently, like from Caitlyn Jenner, who confirms that they were responsible for creating the coin, and other tokens from people like Hulk Hogan and many other celebrities who are hopping on this trend. However, the Mother coin by far stands out as one that's become wildly successful compared to these other meme coins. Now, that being said, it's probably not the last celebrity coin to rise to such high valuations, so that's why it's important to be watching out for the next one. Obviously not financial advice, I'm telling you to buy or sell any specific cryptocurrency based on information. I meant to put that disclaimer at the beginning of this video, but here it is for the record. Now, you might be watching this video and thinking like, I can't believe this is where we are with crypto right now. We're seeing these celebrity tokens that are higher risk. Some of them might just be outright scams. Like people are just going to lose their money. Like, are we really going through this whole thing again? So that obviously has people divided on many sides of the aisle based on, are these a net negative for the crypto space or are they a net positive? Could there be some type of future potential with these projects despite the fact of what they look like right now? So let's look at a couple different takes on this. One is from Vitalik Buterin himself, the mastermind behind Ethereum. replying to Chris Berniski, who's weighing in on the Mother situation as well. So Berniski is saying if Mother breaks into sustainable value creation, it'll also be the mother of this cycle's celebrity experimentation, which is very possible. But Vitalik's thoughts himself are, I'm feeling quite unhappy about this cycle's celebrity experimentation so far. So financialization as a means to an end, he can respect if it's worthy. Maybe this funds healthcare, open source software, art, etc., etc. But financialization as the final product itself is just, barf. And then he talks about a previous project from the last cycle where Ashton and Mila Stoner Cats was vastly more ornamental than anything we've seen from this 2024 celebrity meme coin era. At least there was actual show being funded. He's talking about an NFT project that was launched by Ashton Kutcher and Mila Kunis that was funding an actual show. And he wants to see things pushed in a better direction, is posing the question of how can we do that? So we're looking at the bigger picture. I think there could be actually some potential behind these types of celebrity projects in the future, assuming that they have some type of end beyond just the meme coins themselves. Because, a lot of them right now do look like cash grabs. I think that's one of the reasons for the vomit emoji here. We saw a similar type of thing happen with, NFTs last cycle. Some of them are obvious cash grabs, but some were actually trying to create sustainable projects that could have some type of means to an end for something greater in the future. Now, NFTs and the desire for them really kind of died off in the last cycle bear market, but this does potentially set us up for something bigger in the future, which is social tokens. Okay, this is an idea that has come and go in the crypto space that I still think has some potential, where basically, you have a token that is designed for social purposes. Maybe it could represent a celebrity, maybe it could represent a brand, but then who knows if it's an NFT, who knows if it's a crypto. But this could actually get you something, like maybe access to a community, some access to the celebrity in some way, where the value is sort of based upon that community, betting on the reputation of the celebrity. Now, the problem with this is there's usually talk about ownership in a common enterprise, which kind of fails the Howey test in this case, which means a lot of these could be securities, which could be a big thing that's holding this back. But I do think there's a potential with these to do something bigger than just a temporary cash grab. All right, so now let's talk about how to potentially get an edge in these markets with these new niches. So obviously, I want to reiterate, nothing I'm saying in this section is designed to be financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell any cryptocurrency based on this information. Investing in meme coins is risky. You don't want to lose your life savings on this type of stuff. So first of all, part of it is identifying new narratives earlier, new trends. And that's exactly what happened here was, identifying the early, traction with celebrity coins and finding projects that have potential. Now, one thing that's important is not necessarily finding the first coin that sets off this trend, because those aren't always necessarily the winners, but finding the ones that have kind of figured out the way to do it once the trend has started to emerge. And that's exactly what happened here with the Mother coin. It was not the first celebrity coin to get launched. There's lots of others, but when the trend started to get momentum, there was an obvious winner that started to emerge once that took root. Now, that being said, how do you find these types of projects? Well, obviously, social media is a huge tool, but there's other tools that I want to talk about. And one obviously is Dex Screener. I've talked about this many times in my videos about how to find new projects. You can just go to the new projects and filter. But that would not have gotten you in on this particular project early. So that's what I want to talk about, pump.fun. Okay. So what is that? Well, I haven't made any specific videos about that on my channel, so I'll talk about it right now. You might have seen it floating around there, but basically this is a platform for launching meme coins. It's like a meme coin factory, okay? So basically how it works is anybody can create a new coin on pump.fun. It's not trading yet on open DEX markets like, Radium or something like that on Solana. You don't see it on Dex Screener yet, but basically anybody can create a coin. It gets put on a bonding curve, and then people start buying the coin pre-market. And if it actually completes the bonding curve, then, it will fund the project. It'll create a new liquidity pool on a DEX, and then the project will start trading live on these open markets. You'll hold a portion of the tokens that you get whenever the bonding curve completes, and then you'll have those coins. But if, you're just buying before the coin gets created, you don't actually own any coins. You just own a percentage of what's happening here on the bonding curve. And that's how you could see these projects before they start trading on Dex Screener. That being said, there's new coins launching like every few seconds on this. So a lot of them are going to go to zero. A lot of them will not actually make it out of pump.fun. Just something to note. These will be very, very high risk projects. Now, another way to get an edge in this space is to use bots. Okay. So what is that? Well, it's not an automated trading bot necessarily, like a flash loan bot or anything like that I'm talking about on my channel. It's just a device that lets you essentially buy things without having to sit there and click a buy button on a website. Okay. So there's lots of like Telegram trading bots out there. You might see different things like BonkBot, Unibot, Trojan bot, something like that, where you can basically just set, orders to purchase coins before they go live or once they're live based on price targets to buy and sell. Those can give you a big edge because you can actually get orders to go through sometimes when you can't do that on these DEX websites like Radium, for example, if they've experienced that. So this can give you an edge in that space. Now, if you're going to buy on pump.fun, you need to make sure you have a bot that actually supports that website. I believe Trojan is one that does that. I don't personally use it for that strategy, but I believe that it does. Now, also, if you're a blockchain developer, you have a major edge because you can create a sniping bot with code. Okay, you don't actually have to use one of these Telegram bots to pay the fees to do that. You can create your own bot. I've made videos on my channel on how to do that. You can even create your own bots to buy things on pump.fun, as soon as these projects go live and to get in on them early before anyone else does. All right, so that's an overview of how this trader turned $3,000 into a whopping $9 million with Iggy Azalea's Mother coin. I know this is absolutely crazy. That's just the current state of what's happening in crypto right now. I know there's a lot of celebrity coins are very polarizing, but I do think there is some potential here for something legit to happen and emerge from this over the long term. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Do you think celebrity coins are good? Are they bad for the crypto industry? Did you get in on these celebrity coins early? Are there any that you are excited about? I want to hear from you. And whenever you're finished leaving your comment, make sure you smash that like button down below and subscribe. And while there's definitely some good opportunity to make some fast money with meme coins, the absolute best way to make it long-term in this space is to increase your income by becoming a blockchain developer. And I can show you how to do that step-by-step from start to finish over at dappuniversity.com/bootcamp. You really don't have to be an expert to get started today. I've helped people with zero coding experience become real-world blockchain developers in a matter of months. So that's all I've got. Until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.